Hi everyone, I'm Genelle, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get the juiciest, most plump lips using the L'Oreal Paris Plump Ambition Hyaluron Lip Oil using and featuring all 4 pH reactive shades. This formula instantly nourishes, hydrates, and gives your lips that fresh, glossy tint that's unique and tailored to your very own pH. Let's get started. First, let's talk about what makes this product so special. The L'Oreal Paris Plump Ambition Hyaluron Lip Oil has hyaluronic acid in it, which is a key ingredient for locking in moisture, which gives you fuller looking lips. It gives you 8 hours of a non-sticky, high shine finish. Each shade reacts to your natural pH, giving you a personalized tint tailored to you and your complexion. It's vegan, dermatologist tested, and suitable for every skin tone. Let's look at this gorgeous packaging. It comes in this sleek, transparent tube with the classic L'Oreal Paris silver detail. The large cushion applicator makes it so easy to glide on product evenly in one swipe. Perfect for on-the-go touch-ups. Now let's try all 4 shades so you can see how they react and transform. We're going to go in with pH Cristal Ice 010, a clear gloss that develops into a subtle pink tint. This is perfect for your lips, but better everyday lip gloss. The color literally shifts in seconds. This feels so hydrating on the lips and such a beautiful pinky shade color. I could use this as my everyday go-to gloss. Now let's try the pH Rose 020. This gives a soft, rosy flush that looks super natural and fresh. Great for a brunch or a daytime glam look. The next one we have is pH Lilac 050. A cool-toned sheer lilac that adjusts beautifully for a soft, pinky, violet hue. It's youthful and fun without being too bold. Last but not least, we have the pH Berry Noir 090, a deeper plum tint that develops into a rich berry glow, perfect for evening or fall looks. This applicator is the softest, smoothest applicator I've ever used, and it fits the lip perfectly. So even if you're just on the go, you can just quickly put it on. It makes it so seamless. You can instantly see the shine and just how plump my lips are after one coat. I also think that this is my favorite color. The hyaluronic acid keeps my lips plump and hydrated, while the gloss gives them shine and dimension. I also love the way this layers so well. You could totally wear this alone or with your favorite L'Oreal Paris lipstick. And there you have it, a quick, easy way to get plump, hydrated, fuller looking lips using the L'Oreal Paris Plump Ambition Lip Oil. I absolutely love all 4 shades. They are for any time, any occasion. If you want to learn more, shop the collection and check out the shades, head to l'orealparisusa.com. Links are below.